How does Samsung TV work? Samsung TVs work by integrating advanced display technology, smart features, and internet connectivity to deliver high-quality entertainment. Whether it's a standard LED, QLED, OLED, or Neo QLED TV, Samsung TVs provide access to live TV streaming services and smart home integration. With built-in apps, voice control, and wireless connectivity, they offer a seamless viewing experience. 1. Display technology and picture quality. Samsung TVs use LED, QLED, OLED, and Neo QLED technologies to enhance brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. Features like 4K and 8K resolution, HDR, high dynamic range, and AI upscaling ensure superior picture quality for immersive viewing. Second, Smart TV platform and built-in apps. Samsung TVs run on the Tizen OS, which provides access to streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. The Smart Hub interface allows users to browse content, customize their home screen, and access recent apps with ease. 3. Internet connectivity and streaming. Samsung Smart TVs connect to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, enabling users to stream content, browse the web, and update software. This eliminates the need for external streaming devices, offering a complete entertainment solution. Fourth, voice control and AI assistance. Many Samsung TVs feature voice control through Bixby, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Users can search for content, adjust volume, and control smart home devices using voice commands for a hands-free experience. 5. Screen mirroring and device integration. Samsung TVs support screen mirroring through SmartView, AirPlay 2, and Miracast, allowing users to cast content from their smartphones, tablets, or laptops. They also integrate with Samsung SmartThings, enabling control of smart home devices directly from the TV. 6. Multiple connectivity options. Samsung TVs come with multiple HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, and optical ports, allowing users to connect gaming consoles, sound systems, and other external devices. Features like EARC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, and Dolby Atmos support improve the audio experience. Samsung TVs combine cutting-edge display technology, smart features, and seamless connectivity to enhance entertainment. With built-in apps, voice control, and device integration, they provide an all-in-one solution for home entertainment and smart living.